Guys, I've had it on pre-order for a month, so I'm excited that it's finally here. I have it in my hand. Okay, let's open it.
My name is Angela, and I'm a visually impaired designer.
Hey, what's up everyone? How are you doing? Today is a very exciting day for me. I'm super happy because today I got this package in the mail. It's my new iPhone 12 Pro, and I'm super excited to show you it and talk a little bit about why I got it and why I think it's going to be more helpful to me with my visual impairment. Alright, so here's my current phone. It's an iPhone S. It has a 4.7 size screen from corner to corner. It's pretty small and it's a little hard for me to do stuff when text is so large. Here's the back. It just has a normal small camera. It also has the home button. So the thing that I'm most excited about is the size of the screen between what I have now and the new one that I'm opening up. So the new one is 6.1 inches. So that's 1.4 inches larger of a screen. I am a little worried that it will feel a little bulky and hard to carry around, but I made sure to get a case that was more slender and that hopefully will help with the bulky large size. And I think I can adjust to that no problem. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. I seriously am so excited. I can't wait. I've been waiting for a long time for a phone like this. All through college, I got this older phone that I have, and I just told myself that I had to get through college and earn enough money from a job that I could get a phone. So I'm excited to finally be to the point where I have this phone. Although I probably still can't afford it, but you know, you have to have a phone. All right, here it is. And it's a box. This is a fancy box. Okay. Here's for the satisfying part. Are you ready? iPhone. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel below so that you can see notifications for new videos about design and accessibility. Okay, here's the unboxing. It's beautiful. Look at that. Holy cow, it's better than I imagined. I mean, I've seen pictures and everything, but holy cow. Okay, so first of all, this comes with the phone, the charging cable. It looks like it has some type of icons here, but I'm not sure what they say. Probably saying that these are volume and to turn on the sound. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at the side. It's gold, shiny on the sides, and then the matte back. And of course you have the 3 cameras, which I'm super excited about. As a designer, these lenses are something that makes me very excited. So I'm gonna be able to have such good quality just with my phone, and I won't have to use my fancy camera for everything now. I'll be able to get good quality just with this phone. All right, let's look at the screen. Okay, I'm gonna try turning it on. This is fancy. This is real fancy, guys. Big upgrade from my old phone. Oh, there we go. Let's see if it has voiceover or something to help me with turning it on. Setting it up. Hello. Hola. I like how it has multiple different languages. That's nice. That's inclusive of anyone with any language, so I like that feature. Swipe up to open. Okay. Yeah, so for this part, I'm having to use my old phone here to magnify what it says on the screen to help me get started. on my MacBook Pro, if you watch that video, it used VoiceOver to help me set up. It gave you the option of using VoiceOver. So I feel like that would have been helpful here, but I'll just use my magnifier to help me. So I'm gonna go ahead and select English, United States. All right, I'm gonna do this sign-in setup process. Hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Position the pattern in the circle. All right, time to set up Face ID. I wonder if my bangs will affect if it can read my face. Set up my Apple ID. The tricky part is remembering your login, at least for me. As soon as it's done setting up, I'll show you the next step. All right, so I get to choose standard or zoomed. I'm gonna pick zoomed. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set up how I like it with larger text and some accessibility settings set up right away. All right, so that's pretty cool. I went in to change my accessibility settings to what I like them, and it actually took what I had on my old phone and transferred them to be the same here on my new iPhone 12. So I really like that because then I don't have to take the time to figure out what works best for me. So now I'm gonna go in and look to see if there's anything that's new in the accessibility that I'll find helpful. One setting that didn't transfer from my old phone is choosing what's in my control center. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that up. I like to have things in there like my accessibility shortcuts, my camera, my calculator, the things that I use the most. So if you look at my control center, I've chosen to put a flashlight, the alarm clock, the calculator, the camera, my accessibility shortcuts, a timer, turning on and off dark mode, my low power mode, my magnifier, and changing the size of the text. So a lot of these settings are for accessibility. It's nice to be able to turn them on or off or change them as I'm going because they're not always gonna stay the same. They're gonna change over time. And in different circumstances, it's gonna be different. So it's nice that I can put them in here and access them all in one place. Well, that's my new iPhone and I got it all set up and ready to go. I'm super excited to use it and I will periodically give you updates on how it's working for me or if I make any major changes. If you want to see more specifically the settings that I use for my visual impairment, I'll go ahead and link a video for you so you can see the step-by-step of me walking through setting up my phone. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel below and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until next week, I hope you have a good one. Bye!